what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute spiked hair bow. So this is 1.5 inch width ribbon, 12 inches long, 2 pieces. 3/8 inch ribbon, 14 inches long, 1 piece. And these are all 6 inch pieces, 1.5 inch width ribbon. You can choose whatever colors or designs you like. You can even go with different widths. It doesn't have to be this wide. You can have fun with it and mix up the width. You can do 1 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/8, 5/8, whatever you want to do. If you like that style, you can just play around with this and have fun. Also 3/8 inch ribbon, 2 pieces, 4 inches long, 8 or 9 inches of Bowdabra wire, and a hair clip. Let's get started. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is fold your bow wire in half. Place it right in the center. Again, if you like more wire to use to play around with, then you can make this longer, definitely. I don't like using too much. Take the first piece of ribbon, one of the 12-inch long pieces. You're going to scrunch it just like this. So it's a fold in the center and then pull each side up. You're going to place it down just like that. Then you're going to loop it. And then do the exact same thing with the other side. And then you can use your wand to kind of scrunch it down. This one is going to get pretty thick, so we'll be scrunching a lot. Alright, we're going to do that same step with the second piece of 12-inch length ribbon. So scrunch, place it down, loop it around, scrunch again. And place it down. So it's looking like this. The piece that you just placed, you're going to kind of estimate the center. You could measure the center. I never do. So estimate and scrunch. And then you're going to make the 2 pieces crisscross with each other. So it's going to look like that. And then scrunch the second piece. Use that wand, and while you have the wand, you can also adjust it, make sure it's even. You don't want one side much larger than the other. That looks so adorable. You could leave it like this if you'd like, but we're going to add more. Next thing you want to do is add your spikes. Again, you don't have to have them all the same width. You can have fun with it and use like thinner, skinnier ribbon with the wider ribbon just to mix it in. So whatever ribbon you choose, you're just going to scrunch it in the center and place it down. And I'm going to alternate the colors. Just like that. Just like that. Again, scrunch, 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 scrunch. And you can adjust it. The best time to adjust it is when you're scrunching it because it's nice and secure. Go. I want to make it where all the colors are seen, and you can use more colors if you'd like. This is really just a way for you to just make it your own. So this is what it's looking like so far. You're going to take that 14-inch piece to estimate the center. This one's going to be a little more difficult because it's so thin. You could use a 5/8 inch piece if you'd like. So I have it in the center, and I'm just going to estimate and scrunch. And this one you're going to have to hold it down because it will move. So I just use my fingers to kind of keep it in place. So this is what it looks like so far. I have 2 loops, and I'm going to loop it again with this piece, bringing it down like this, and bringing this piece down like that. And scrunch it to keep it all together. Adjust it as necessary. Just like that. It's looking so cute. Squish it, squish it, squish it, because we have a lot of ribbon in here. And this is it. Alright, so now we are going to tie the bow wire, and be very careful because it could pop loose and you lose the entire thing. So bring those up. And I'm just going to put the 2 end pieces inside the loop. Hold it together and pull. Nice and tight. Then we're going to open it and pull again just to make sure it's nice and secure before I move it. And then you slowly pull it up. Alright. So there's your really pretty bow. Take one of your 4-inch pieces, tie it in a knot. Just a simple little knot. And don't pull it too tight because you want it to have a little fullness. And this is going to go in the center. You're going to use your hot glue gun to glue this down. So last thing you're going to do is hot glue the back of the clip to the back of the hair bow.